Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload videos to YouTube with N8N. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up N8N and log in with your credentials. From here, we want to make sure we're on the overview tab. From here on the right hand side, we've got create workflow. Go ahead and click onto that. And now inside this workflow, we can go ahead and rename this if you like. And then we need to click on where it says add first step. From here, on the right hand side, go ahead and search nodes and type in YouTube. Click on YouTube. From here, scroll down and we need to click on upload a video. From here, a little pop-up will appear and it'll say credentials to connect with. Open up that and then click on create new credentials. From here, go ahead and put in your client ID and client secret and then click save. Now, once you've done that, head back to where it says upload a video. From here, we need to choose resource video operation. We need to change that to upload. Then from here, we can give your title or video a title and also region code. Select a region code. Keep scrolling down. Then if we head back to here, this is where we've set up our node successfully.